Growth in China's industrial sector unexpectedly slowed to hit a 17-year low in May, further supporting the possibility of a weaker demand in the country as the US increases trade pressure. Data from the National Bureau of Statistics showed on Friday that China's industrial output rose by 5.0% in May from the previous year, ending below analysts' forecast of 5.5% and April's 5.4% growth. Huawei Technology CEO Ren Zhengfei has lowered the firm's revenue expectations for 2019, estimating sales to fall around $100 billion this year and next as a result of the US ban. Even though the US move to blacklist Huawei was implemented for national security reasons, President Donald Trump indicated last week that trade talks with China might offer a solution to the ban that's preventing the company from buying US technology. European Central Bank President Mario Draghi has provided on Tuesday his clearest clue yet of more stimulus, suggesting that further rate reduction or asset purchases would be needed, provided that inflation in the Eurozone showed no improvement. Draghi's statement came as the Federal Reserve starts its two-day policy meeting, which markets expect to end up without any changes being made to interest rates. World stocks rose near two-week highs on Wednesday as investors laid their bets on a series of central bank stimulus, with odds rising over the US and the Eurozone performing rate cuts as early as July. MSCI's World Equity Index added 0.4% after gaining 1% on Tuesday, while Asian shares excluding Japan followed Europe's and US's lead, climbing nearly 2% to mark as their largest one-day rally since January, whereas Australian stocks advanced to an 11-year high. Global bond yields edged lower on Thursday after the Federal Reserve hinted at a likely interest rate cuts later this year. Having climbed as high as 2.8% in January, the US 10-year Treasury note fell as low as 1.974% on Thursday, marking its lowest since November 16, while the Japanese 10-year bond yields dropped to a 3-year low of negative 0.160% and the sterling yield hit a record low of below 1.30%.